Today we're going to unbox this giant massage chair from Osaki with our favorite Colton. Where is it? This is XRest 40, and from this picture you kind of can tell like it's a huge chair with a little cover on top. I've never seen a chair like this before, which is kind of interesting. So let's unbox it.
Dennis, do you know how much this thing costs?
I have no idea.
$. I am so ready to look at this thing. It's gonna be sick.
That's more than my car.
Your car doesn't give you massages though.
Colton, this is almost taller than you.
Legitimately, yes. I had to stand on my tippy toes for the intro. Disclaimer, I've never had a massage and I've never used a massage chair.
You never had a massage?
I don't like people touching me.
When we go back to Taiwan, actually my parents have a massage chair. It's very basic. And this is probably the first modern massage chair I'll try on. Because we did try a massage gaming chair last year. And this one is literally just a for real massage chair.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This thing's nuts. Oh, this thing looks sick.
Look at this helmet. And here's another small box.
Footrest.
Oh.
Get careful, careful. How much does this weigh?
You just need to have some friends at home.
Looks like a box of chocolates.
Reveal.
It's a manual.
Oh, they got tools.
Nice.
If you don't have the ltstore.com screwdriver, you get this one. Before use, we need to install the helmet part, the hood.
So if you want to look at this, yeah, so there's two connectors. One of them goes here, and then one of them goes to the speaker that I've got here.
This is not speakers, it actually is just an indication light.
Oh. Oh my gosh, are these left and right?
Okay, maybe that's for this one. Yes, that's what left.
Decorative cover.
Here in Chinese.
What does that say?
Left.
You just saved this video.
Now it makes sense.
Hey, let's go.
There you go.
Perfect, easy.
So now you have this little hood, you can hide yourself inside. Footrest installation, connect the air connector A2. This is A2, and this is B1. Yeah, oh,
done.
Good.
Okay.
Now we just need to do step 2.
Make sure there's enough space. We're good. Make sure there's no person, pet, or other object close to the product. Make sure there's no foreign objects, like we disconnected everything. Everything should be good.
So it's pretty straightforward, very easy installation. Woo, it's on now.
Is it moving? Oh my gosh.
It's activating. In the menu, it actually say, make sure the massage wheels are retracted. So that's just it. And before we sit in this chair, we need to let you know some message from our sponsor. Okay, but before we start the massage session, I got to tell a little secret to save money. Newegg, our sponsor, they team up with Next Storage, and now there's deep discounts on their storage solutions. I'm talking about more than 60% off, 60% off on internal SSDs, and up to 50% off micro SD cards. So if you're looking to upgrade your storage, check out Next Storage products on sale at Newegg down below. Go save yourself some money.
Let me sit.
Sit down, Colin, sit on this.
Oh right, and am I supposed to take my shoes off?
Yeah.
Sorry, gosh.
How do you feel?
My feet feel very comfortable. My back is comfortable now that I'm moving into it. Your arms go there. Ah! Oh, check the following cautions before starting the massage chair. Stop. Do not leave infants and pets around the massage chair. Dennis, get away from the chair. Do not wear any accessories, necklace, bracelet, ring, or watch. No ring. What? Okay, goodbye. Please remove the head pad and auxiliary pad before using the massage chair. There is a magnet attached to the upper part for fixing the pad, so those who have medical devices in their body should consult a doctor before using the massage chair. Okay, I should be okay. Before starting your massage, please all long hair people, make sure that your hair won't get involved in the roller. Okay.
Oh, the whole thing's moving.
Happening?
The whole thing's moving.
What if it kills me? Oh, things are happening, my friends.
Colton, it's supposed to be relaxed.
It's going up my back though. Shoulder scanning, relax. It's oh no, what if it crushes my shoulders? This is pretty cool. Okay, shoulder scanning, do you know I have shoulders? Okay, we're good. So now it'll let me adjust a little bit. If shoulder position is incorrect, use the up or down arrows to... It didn't let me press anything. Oh, my feet! My feet! It tickles so much. Oh!
So there are pads here, both on your cab and your feet.
It's gonna strangle me.
This is my first time seeing a massager comes with this shoulder massaging over the body. Usually it's just the back or the foot. or your lower body. But this is kind of cool.
This goes for 13 minutes? It's got rollers against the bottom of your feet. It takes a second to get used to. What's happening? I'm not doing anything!
Colton, you're going to the space!
What's happening? Guys, this is crazy. If I wasn't so filled with anxiety my entire life, maybe.
Looks really nice.
It is. There's a lot of pressure points happening. And I think that's a good thing for massages from what I know. This is a positive experience. Dennis, you need to try this.
The cool thing about this chair apparently is their shoulder massage. They simulate the hand massage movement like this. They have 20 airbags in each of them, and you can adjust them individually. So it looks kind of like a hand. So this is basically like your thumb and your 4 fingers like this. And if you keep pushing now, there are 2 massage balls here to go up and down from your lower back to your upper back, up to your shoulder. And you put your arm in this little pocket, and they have air tighten pad, so tighten your arm. So you have 2 pads here by your calf, and little small motion massage balls here in the back here as well. Again, more pad down here to your feet, and that's pretty much it. So this massage chair comes with 3 different colors: taupe, brown, and black. And this one I believe is brown. So obviously this massage chair is huge, but compared to other bigger massage chair, it's sizable, but it's not huge. It has 16 auto massage programs: Master Choice, Health Pro, and Signature, all the way to evening. They also have 6 manual programs that can go to your shoulder, upper back, lower back, and full back with 4 different techniques. 40 rolling for your neck, 40 rolling for your shoulder, and 40 kneading for your neck, and 40 shiatsu for your shoulder. Oh, one thing really cool is, so when I close this dome, you can probably see the light will turn on. You see it? The red light will turn on. Apparently it's a light therapy. They have wireless charging here and also a USB charging here. The other thing here is negative oxygen ion. What is negative oxygen ion? So I quickly looked it up on their website. It says, assists in relieving stress and boosting energy. A negative air ionization therapy, kind of cool, but I have to try it to know. So it's basically you press this button and will come out from here. It's pretty minimal, but I don't smell anything really. But I don't think I can smell the ion. Okay, let's see what I want. They have auto neck lower back manual advanced air position. Of course, I'm gonna choose advanced. Once you go to auto, they have 16 options. If you don't know what to do with your body, they just set up a menu for you. Master Choice, Health Pro, Signature, Sleeping, Stretch, Spine, Mobile Mode, Relax, Chinese. Chinese? I'm going to try Chinese.
Shoulder scanning.
Literally start from my butt. I don't know why.
Yeah, I know, it scared me
Why
too.
are you starting from my butt?
It's just checking. Dennis, how often do you get massages?
Once, 2 months. I still use my shoulder massage at home. Oh, this thing is coming down. Oh, it's starting from my foot. Oh, now it's doing a vibrating thing.
The vibrating was pretty cool.
I have to say the shoulder one is really nice. Okay, let's try different mode. One thing caught my eyes in the Master's Choice. Who can be more master than me? Oh, I like this one more than the Chinese mode. Oh, that's the spot. On their screen, they show you where they are working on. I'm gonna try the manual just to adjust it every option by myself and see how it worked out. This time, let's try the individual options. Oh, wow. You can also choose the focus. You can change the strength, intensity, speed. The screen is actually very helpful because you're not gonna be able to see it from here, right? You are like, just look at here. Either use this screen or you can use the app, which we're gonna show you in a bit. Yes, this is touchable. There are so many settings. Once you start using it, you kind of get used to it, but it does have a lot of options, which is good. So one cool option they have here is the Health Pro. Please lean back and hold the body against the pen sensor to make sure all the testing points are covered. Press the button to start detection. Oh, it's scanning and see how's your fatigue up level and muscle tension level. You can see on the screen, it's red. It's interesting how they can censor it, how intense your muscle is, just by pushing it, I guess. It's done the scanning. Now look at, oh my God. Fatigue level, maximum. Muscle tension level, maximum. Heavy, heavy. Oh no, fatigue level, light. What, what? I didn't even get to see it. It just went away so fast. Did you see it?
A little bit.
That was too fast. Oh my God. Actually falling asleep. See you in 2 minutes. What? That's it? I mean, you don't even want to put me down? They ended and just leaving me like this? How do I get out? What? We actually emailed the brand. Like, we wonder how come it doesn't go back to normal so people can get out of the seats? It's actually a pretty good idea for some people. They said all chairs stay in the position when the massage ends so it doesn't startle people who want to stay asleep. We have left it like this for all chairs as the majority of people want it that way. So if you finish a massage, they just leave you a piece. You can sleep here until you wake up, or you can end it just turning off. They also have 2 speakers in the back, so when you are getting a massage, you can play whatever music you want to listen to. For me, personally, I love to listen to. You hear? It's coming from here. With the dome closed, it's like a little mini concert in here. Wow. It's a totally different experience. Wow. Look at the feeling. And I can turn on the heat on my lower back and the feet. On the app, they have smart speaker function. You have to connect to the Bluetooth. You can connect to the chair to Wi-Fi. We tried 3-4 different phones and we couldn't make it work. What? This is my 3rd attempt. Whew. It stressed me out before I get to distress. Is that part of marketing? Otherwise, you can use voice command. Turning on, turning off, pause, stop massage, continue, zero gravity on, and all kind of command. Come on, Alex, let's try it. So you can see the 2 hands here, right? Shoulder scanning, you can feel 2 balls moving from the bottom, going up. You look really tense, like relax.
Why would I be relaxed when it's just not a nice experience?
Just wait, just wait.
Because I've been in a lot of fancy chairs and fancy cars, and they're way more comfortable than this, and they also have massagers.
Really?
And they also have like a car.
I really doubt that. Okay, how about now? The shoulder massaging.
Like, it's fine, but I'm uncomfortable. Like, it's just not a good chair to begin with. I need like lumbar adjustment. I need a different seat cushion. Like, it isn't comfy enough.
You can adjust the position.
Right in here, it's just not wide enough. It's
Like
just
what here? I don't get it.
the bolsters. Do you know what the bolster of a chair is, Dennis?
No, really.
It's like the side bits that clamp you in.
I didn't feel that. I was really focused on massaging. Okay, now how about shoulder?
Okay, that feels kind of good.
You get light therapy.
I'm not enjoying this. So for the speakers, we have almost no low-end extension, and probably most egregiously, the entire image is behind you. You have this really cool thing that comes up above your head where you could either put speakers or bounce the sound off of for quite an immersive experience, and they completely missed the mark on all regards for that. So instead you just have what sounds like a couple of speakers behind you that are not particularly good. And for the price of this thing, you should be able to have higher sound quality.
But Alex, I feel you just too spoiled. It's a massage chair. It's not a...
It's a $15,000 massage chair, Dennis.
Not everything needs to be perfect. That's pretty much it about this massage chair. For me, I'm not 100% sure if I want a $50,000 massage chair for myself because it's quite a lot of money. It's more than my car. If you want a massage chair like this with 2 hands at home, give you a free massage all the time. We got a $5,000 off coupon code with Circuit Special at the link below. You can get one for yourself. And now I'm gonna go back to my massage. You still here?